At the Button Law Firm, we're always ready to help answer any questions about filing a lawsuit after your child suffers an injury at daycare. For today's frequently asked question that we hear from parents, we'll be discussing what happens if the state investigation comes back with no findings after my child suffers a serious injury at a daycare in Texas. Discovering that the state investigation into your child's daycare injury resulted in no deficiencies or citations can be extremely frustrating. Let's break down what this means and what steps you can take moving forward. When the state finds no violations, it means that they did not uncover enough evidence to establish administrative violations on the part of the daycare facility or caregivers. Let's discuss the three most common reasons that the state investigation comes back with no findings. The first reason is due to insufficient evidence. Proving administrative violations requires a preponderance of the evidence, which means more likely true than not true. If such evidence is lacking, the state may be unable to make conclusive findings. The second reason is due to a lack of cooperation from the daycare facility. The state may not have been provided with all the evidence during the investigation. One example would be a daycare facility not turning over video footage, leading to an incomplete assessment of the incident. The third reason is due to the nature of the incident. If the daycare injury resulted from an incident without any clear evidence of wrongdoing on the caregiver's behalf, it could contribute to the lack of findings. However, this doesn't mean your options are exhausted. You may still have a case for negligence against the daycare. Here are the steps we recommend parents take after the state investigation results in no findings. Step 1. Make sure to obtain a comprehensive medical examination of your child to document the extent of their injuries. This step is crucial for establishing a connection between the daycare incident and your child's injuries, serving as valuable evidence in a potential legal case. Step 2. Obtain a copy of the state's investigation report and any related documentation. Even if the state found no violations, your legal team can analyze the investigation report to uncover information for your potential legal action. Step 3. Consult with an experienced daycare injury attorney, like those on our team at the Button Law Firm. Our team can provide personalized resources and guide you through the process of pursuing legal action against a daycare facility. If the state investigation yields no findings, we may conduct an independent investigation, gather witness statements, and collect additional evidence to support your case. Be mindful of the statute of limitations for daycare injury cases in Texas. The Texas statute of limitations for daycare injury cases is typically 2 years from the date of the incident. The Button Law Firm can provide timely advice, ensuring that you are within the limited time frame to take legal action. Remember, the lack of state findings does not prevent you from seeking justice through the legal system. Our team can help you navigate the legal process and ensure accountability for the daycare facility's actions. If you have more questions about daycare injuries, but aren't ready to talk to us just yet, we've created a free 5-step guide on what to do after a daycare injury. It's linked below. We're here to keep you and your family moving forward.